Are you ready to transform your training experience? Let's explore how Livestorm can enhance your customer onboarding and training programs. Livestorm is an innovative webinar and meeting platform. It allows you to conduct engaging, interactive, and scalable training sessions. With Livestorm, you improve customer satisfaction and save valuable time. Imagine inviting all your customers to one enlightening training or onboarding webinar. This means no more scheduling headaches. You can create self-sufficient clients by sharing on-demand training. Plus, track attendance effortlessly with integrated reporting. Interactive features set Livestorm apart. Conduct live training sessions, answer questions in real time, and keep your audience engaged with polls. Now, let's dive deeper into Livestorm's features. Calendar integrations help you sync easily with Google Calendar invites. This makes connecting with participants a breeze. Engagement is key. Use customizable polls to stimulate discussion and analyze results instantly. With built-in analytics, you can examine the engagement of your events easily. Sync your data effortlessly with popular CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot. Managing your training programs has never been easier. Create optimized registration pages to improve conversions. Send unlimited personalized reminders and follow-ups via email cadences. Aggregate events into recurring sessions for an easier joining process. Livestorm enhances the audience's experience with media sharing. Share PDFs, pre-recorded, or YouTube videos within the room seamlessly. Centralize questions with a Q&A tab, making it easier to address audience inquiries. Reporting features help you analyze engagement and attendance. With participation reports, you can track event performance effectively. Livestorm is perfect for various use cases too. Whether it's product demos, online courses, or live Q&A sessions, our platform is designed to fit your needs. Thousands of organizations trust Livestorm for online events. Don't miss out on transforming your training today. Get started with Livestorm for free. Experience engaging webinars and meetings in just 3 minutes. No credit card or software installation required. Take the leap and elevate your training programs with Livestorm.